Okay, you're watching DirecTV right now, the best entertainment in, well, the universe, right? So, with all these great choices, what magazine should you use to see what's on? C Magazine, the only official entertainment programming magazine from DirecTV. Now, don't tell me you still have all those other television guides coming into your home. Cancel them because there's so much more to see. Every month you get all the DirecTV and USSB listings, plus now you can actually find them with C's incredibly easy-to-read programming grid. All you have to do is call this number and you can immediately get the inside scoop on the world of entertainment with the hottest celebrity profiles, cool feature articles, and reviews on all your favorite DSS movies. And if you call right now, your first month of C is free with your subscription. After your first free issue, your DirecTV account is conveniently billed, only $3.95 a month. Come on, that's less than your popcorn in a movie theater. Look, there's so much to see and your first month is free. So, call the toll-free number and get it now. Go on, call.